And good morning, guys. We are back in the Poshlab. It's been an absolute crazy May. So last week we were in Calgary. We're working on a new 812 Superfast. Absolutely one of my favorite videos we've ever created. And check it out. It's our last video. A week before that we did Euro Cars and Coffee in the Performante. That's another old video we did. And then lately what we've been going on in here, it's been so hard to try to keep up with all the work that's been going on. This is the busiest time of year, May, June, July. So we'll kind of touch base with what happened in the lab this past week and a half, 10 days. We had a Gallardo in for paint restoration, some film, and then we had in STASIS built S5. I don't think we took any video of this. We had some stripes correction again and some film. It looked absolutely amazing. And a few other little projects that we had going on here. So this week we have a 2004 SL65 AMG. That's in for a restoration detail. It's never been detailed. So what we did is we actually started the process already. We removed the wheels, cleaned inside the wheel wells, did a full undercarriage treatment. We're gonna do the engine bay today. I finished the last 2 days. I was paint correcting the entire paintwork surface. It looks absolutely amazing. So now the next step is we're actually gonna hand wash it and prep it for paint protection film. And then the following day, once the film's all done and cured, we're gonna move on to kamikaze coatings. We're gonna finish it in ISM Pro and film surface coat on the film areas. This is gonna be a drastic difference. I'm super excited. I'm super excited to be back in the lab. We have a ton of cool projects coming up. Stay tuned for that, subscribe, because we got some super cool stuff coming up. And we'll be doing some traveling this summer. So let's go.